Biscoff mango float naman ang gawin nyo for this year's Noche Buena. Madali lang gawin. Tara, let's eat! First, let's mix 2 packs of 250 ml na all-purpose cream with 1 300 ml can ng condensed milk. Better if you whisk them para maging thick and airy. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons ng Lotus Biscoff spread. I like itong crunchy na variety. Then, mix ulit. I used Lotus Biscoff biscuits for the base layer instead of the usual graham crackers, but may kamahalan pala yan guys, so di siya kasya sa 500 pesos na Noche Buena. Kaloka. Next layer ay yung Biscoff cream mix natin. Then, a layer of sliced mangoes. Ginamit ko muna yung mga hindi maganda yung pagka-slice kasi tatabunan din naman natin yan. Repeat the order of layers lang hanggang mapuno ang container. Basta sa last layer natin, gagamitin ang mga magagandang slices ng mangoes. Then, I added a Lotus Biscoff biscuit para alam nilang may Biscoff flavor yung mango float natin. Cover and freeze natin overnight. Nakaka-proud friends kasi masarap. Look, ang ganda ng layers, oh. Masarap yung combination ng Lotus Biscoff, cream, and mangoes. I realized though na since we added the Biscoff spread, pwede natin bawasan yung condensed milk if gusto nyo na less sweet. I'm sure mabenta to sa Noche Buena. Tara, let's eat!